Welcome back to the Motivation Medicos. My name is Prince Tiwari and today we're gonna talk about top 10 golden rules for a better life. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So the first one is stay away from the negative people because once you live with the negative people, your thought also become negative and you start finding negative things in every situation. So that's not good for your better life. So try to avoid these kind of people. And the second one, that is learn something new every day, because as you know that we get stuck by doing same things in our life, which stops progress in our life. So what you need to do, you just have to find it out your passion and try to learn daily. Alright, it's also said to be that an empty mind is the house of devil. So try to learn something new every day. That will make your life better. And the third one is about getting feedback. Whatever you do, just try to get the feedback. The feedback can be anything else, that is positive or the negative. Once you get positive, so you will feel courage, you will feel happy. But once you get the negative feedback, so it means okay, you have got the chance to do it more better. Alright, and the negative one is more constructive than the positive feedback. So try to get the feedback whatever you do. And the fourth one is about getting up early in the morning. Once you get up early in the morning, you have got the another kind of energy, that is the positive energy. So once you start your morning, so you can start like by doing any exercise and then start your day. So it is a root, or we can say it is the very important thing to make your better life. The fifth one is about increase your strength. I'm not talking about the physical strength, I'm talking about the mental strength, because the mental strength will give you the another kind of strength which will be needed in any work. Okay, whatever you do, whatever you think, so you need at that time the mental strength, your way of thinking, that will come from the mental strength. And the sixth one is about getting new challenges. Once we feel satisfied, so what we do, we just do rest, and it stops our progress. So what do we need to do, we just need to take challenges. I'm not saying to go in extreme, I'm saying just take challenges. Whatever you were not able to do, that you didn't do yet and you just thought it's a risk to do that, so just take that risk. So what you can see, you will be get success and you will get happiness. But once you get unsuccess, so what you have got from there, you just got the experience, and that experience will help you next time whatever you do in your life next time. So that experience you can get from there. And the seventh one, that is about accept your weakness, because we often meet the people who have the qualities of we are big, or the so-called qualities. So that kind of whatever they say, whatever they do, they are right according to them and others are wrong. So that kind of attitude can be detrimental for your life. So what you need to do, just try to work on your weakness and try to improve yourself. So that will help you to be a good person or the better person in your life. And the last one, that is about find comfort in discomfort as well. Obviously everyone wants comfort reason, or everyone wants a convenient situation according to them. But what you have to be like the person that you can also tolerate in inconvenient situation as well. Once you get the problem, so you have to get that mindset that you just have to solve out that problem whatever you have got that. So just try to find it out, that comfort every discomfort situation. So these all are the tips from which you can improve yourself, or if you will implement in your life, so obviously you will find it out that you have got improved. So that was all about this video. I hope this video has given you the good understanding about the rules of how you can improve. As always, thanks for watching.